Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wig review on the company Wequeen. They sent me one in not too long ago. I'm just getting it, so I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's open this box here. It's a very nice box, by the way, Wequeen. And here's the top. Affordable, beginner-friendly wigs, Wequeen. That's cute. So I'm opening the box here, and we have our wig. Comes with a nice bag. Drawstring bag. Comes with the wig cap. And it's nice how the box is lined with silk in there. Yeah. So let's take the wig out the net and see how the construction is looking. Very nice texture. All right, here's the lace. We got 1, 2, 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps on the sides. So according to the website, the knots are lightly bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. It's an average cap size, and it fits up to 22.5 inches head circumference. It's obviously body wavy texture, 1B color. The density is 150%, and it is virgin Brazilian. So let's see what we can do with her. Go ahead and put on my own wig cap I already have. I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig grip. Go in with the foundation that I have that matches my skin, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the lace. Next, I'm gonna set up where I want the part to be. I'm gonna put in some heat protectant and then go over it with my hot comb. So I decided to style this wig with wand curl, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I put that heat protectant in so we're not damaging the wig. So I'm done curling the wig. Go ahead and put this wig on. Go ahead and cut the lace off. Go ahead and put Gots to Be glue on. I'm gonna go in with my powder foundation. Go ahead and just put in some concealer. So this is what we're looking like so far. I just went and put those wand curls in. I finished up my parting, and also I put a few baby hairs in the front. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. I think this is nice if you don't want to, you know, go and get your hair pressed or anything like that, and you don't want to put any heat on it. I think this is a nice, decent length that looks natural. So you could do like a ponytail, or you could also probably put it up in a bun or something like that. But I like mine down because it's already, you know, curled, and I think it's a good length to just let it hang. This wig is very simple. It's nice for a date or to hang out with the girls, or just to see family in. You can put this on. I think it's nice. You can also straighten it, but I wanted to put some flavor to it, so I put some wand curls. It looks a little bit better when it's teased, just to give it some fun in life. There we go. Ooh, it's cute. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time.